Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Uxtsuki. This is the last video of this playlist pixel art tutorials for beginners and intermediate level. I will ask you to stay just a bit more and understand why this is the last video and what is coming next. So this is the last video because basically I feel I've transmitted every single concept of pixel art that I know so far, the techniques in a pragmatic way. I don't want to milk this thing that I like, that is pixel art, so I won't create fake content over it. I think this is already a close thing. I already transmitted and share every single knowledge I know about it, even if it is shallow or deep or in a mechanical way. If you learned mostly, not every single one at first, but mostly things I've shared, probably the only thing that you have to do now is to practice, to create, to make pixel art. Probably your brain already have way more things to pay attention, for example, and you might feel a little bit frustrated to not apply every single thing. Well, don't worry, it's just a lack of practice. Soon nor later, you will be able to make amazing pixel art. It's just a matter of time, don't worry. So what is coming next? Well, one of my videos I talked about specific tutorials and how I support people to make them. I will try to make some especially related to the galaxy knowledge that I shared with you, but not for this playlist as a detached content, as well time lapses, for example. So how to make rocks, how to make trees, how to make grass, and so on. Not exactly these subjects, but probably I will bring some of these videos to the channel. And since I already shared everything that I know about pixel art for free here on the channel in video format, I feel comfortable to make Udemy course about pixel art. I will talk about every single concept I've shared with you so far. I will be very honest with them. I will talk about this playlist and how they might want to go with this, because this Udemy course is just like, if you want to tip me, go there, something like this. I just wanted to have two different approaches of my content, one for free on YouTube in a more free and natural style, and more professional one that is like structured as a course. But don't worry, everything in here will be untouched, and if I have an idea or an insight inside of the Udemy course that is good, I will bring here to the channel. Don't worry. Lastly, I am developing a tool to help beginners and intermediate pixel artists to break down subjects. It is in the very early stages of development, but I think I already can share because the tool is very simple. Alright, I will make a video about it, sharing in how could you use it for your study, and I will already say in advance that I will try to monetize that as well, but I will keep a free version for anyone who wanted to use an experiment, so don't worry, I will always have free versions of my stuff because I don't want to private people from learn. So that's it. Thanks for your attention so far. I appreciate every single view, every single like. So far, no one have commented into my videos, but that's okay. I am not care about these numbers. I'm just happy to make this type of videos to share what I know and maybe help someone. Alright, so thanks for watching and I see you later. That's it. Bye.